So let's dive in. Where is our confidence? What happened to it? We are all born with confidence, and somewhere along the way, we lost it. But why? Why we need these kinds of courses to remind us that we have anything we need inside ourselves? So we started picking up negative thoughts, not only our own, but other people's. Like when they're telling you, like, you cannot do this, you shouldn't be trying that, you should change that, and whatever. We're listening to those people and then transforming those thoughts in our own. And then we're so scared to try anything because people continue telling us that we shouldn't and we won't and we can't. We become our own worst enemy because we are an obstacle in our own life. Science shows us that 95% of what happens in our lives comes from something that happened when we were a child. So with this course, we're going to try to help our little girls and little boys that once upon a time, long ago, they trust and they believe someone to tell them they can't. But we'll do better. We want to be better. So you're in the right place if someone like this resonates with you. You feel embarrassed or not good enough, even of the smallest tiny things. You're always thinking and putting a lot of weight on other people's opinion about you. You'll be holding back from pursuing your dreams and goals because you're afraid of you think you're not good enough. You think people don't like you and they don't want to be around you. And you're always terrified of having personal conversations with new people. You're scared of starting something new. But don't worry, I got you. You're in the right place. So let's reflect on this quote that reminds us that if we believe in ourselves, we won't be needing anyone's approval. We won't be needing anyone tell us that we can do it because we know we can do it. So it's very important that we start with ourselves. If we know our own value, we won't be needing people to remind us of that. So, after this course, what I want from you is that you have an unshakable self-confidence. No matter what is happening in your life, you will know for sure your own value, your own abilities, and that you can do anything you want. Also, you will feel comfortable in all social situations because I know that they may scare you, but you have to keep going because we don't want that fear or self-doubt stop you for having new experiences. Also, you will have let go of your body issues. If there is something right now that you don't like about yourself and you can change it, go and change it. If you cannot change it, then accept that and love that. Also, you will change the way you speak with yourselves and even with others. I want to eliminate that negative self-talk. We won't be being our worst enemies. We're going to be our best friends ever. Also, you will take action. Even if you're scared, that's okay. It's okay to be nervous. It's okay to be scared. But no matter what happens in life, you have everything you need to survive that. So you'll be okay. I want to believe in yourself, that you really believe in yourself, no needing the validation or the approval of others. And you will have a strong conviction about yourself. Even in hard days, even if you sometimes are struggling to know that, you will really know that you have your abilities, your personality, anything you need to succeed in life.